Okay, so welcome to the video in the city of Kashgar here in the northwestern part of China. It's actually next to Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan, so very far west. It's actually the most west part I've ever been in China. So we were driving from Aksu this morning, like 5 hours or something like that. And now we're gonna enjoy the city, and it's actually quite late. It's almost like 8 p.m. But as mentioned, the sun goes down very later actually. So we're gonna explore the old city a bit, find some nice food, so see you in there. You can already tell it has a very different vibes than the rest of China I've been to so far, and also the other parts of Xinjiang actually. A lot of more, I don't know, different type of influence in the culture. It's gonna be really cool. Looking forward to trying some local food. I don't know what to expect, but well, here we have some horses as well. Interesting stuff going on. Let's go inside and see what we can find. Yeah, we came from the desert the other day, and here they apparently sell camel milk. That sounds pretty intriguing, but I think we can have some food first. Definitely feels like you're in some sort of more Asian times or very more traditional culture when you're walking around. Really cool here, I must say, in the streets. I'm quite positively surprised. I didn't know so much about this specific location, I must say, before I came here, but a lot of cool, very nice smells everywhere. You're smelling like different local spices and snacks. You have like fruits and dates and nuts here everywhere. You can try out. Let's see what we can find here. I'm sure it's going to be a pretty interesting evening, so see you soon. So I'm walking around here exploring a bit the local craftsmen. I think making some bronze or perhaps copper bowls here. Very nice. And you also have on this side here a lot of old traditions going on for sure. Pretty cool. And just walk down the entrance in here, and now we're walking down this whole street here, as you can see in the background. A lot of shopping so far, which is nothing wrong with, but I'm looking forward to the food. But it's kind of a whole area here, so just gonna walk around and see here. It'll be really nice when the sun is setting a bit later. I think it's gonna look even nicer, but really cool to just take a stroll around the neighborhood here. Yeah, once again, so nice with all these kind of like spices you smell when you're walking around here, and all these like old products for sale, traditional. I really like the architecture of the buildings here in the background. Very, very different than what you see in most other parts of China, at least what I've seen. But I have obviously not been everywhere, so I might have missed out. And also with the trees here, and they even have some fruit actually here when you look up. I don't know exactly what that is, but it looks interesting. Wow, it looks like there's some performance going on in here. Really cool in the background there. Some modern twist on that music, but at least it was playing outside. Looking very exotic here, I must say. Coming into this old city, really happy I came here. Like just walking in these nice valleys here. Definitely, if you pass by Kashgar, you should come and check this area out, that is for sure. Here we also have some carpets here. It feels more like kind of an Middle Eastern vibes, or at least I guess Central Asian vibes. But I haven't been so much in the neighbor area, so correct me if I'm wrong. But super beautiful. So I think I actually found a bit of the food street here. There's a lot of snacks going on in the background here. You have a lot of skewers you can buy here. The booths, and people are sitting and enjoying some nice beers here in the background, as you can see. We will see if we get some skewers or something, but pretty interesting. And then you have a pretty crazy dynamic here. You have the airport, actually. I think the tower in the background can't see so much, but really nice. Ooh, noodles passing by in the background. Let's see what we can find. Very loud in the background here, but you can definitely hear the city starting to come alive, and I think the sunset's going to be like 1 hour. I think it's going to be a lot more beautiful then. So it's like food everywhere here, but I want to try something more local. Here it feels a bit too generic. A lot of drinking going on in the background, but I think I will skip that for now. Here I'm actually getting up here in one of the older buildings here with a better view in the background. You can actually see the old city, I think, when you're looking down a bit in the background here. Really nice, the old city wall, I think. And there's a lot of restaurants everywhere. We'll see, maybe, I'm not sure if we have time to see everything. To get up early tomorrow, but quite cool background here, I must say. And we have some interesting ice dessert going on. I don't know what that is. It's looking pretty interesting. Ooh, honey with yogurt maybe and dessert. Ooh, that looks crazy. I think I need some practice before I get to that level, that's for sure. Served in a Pepsi jug. That is interesting. So I think I should try it?
Yeah.
Okay, then I have to try it. Well, Iga.
Yeah.
Iga dosa ten. Leokoiten. Okay.
Leokoiten is around $1.
Okay. 6 RMB. Let's try it. Let's try it here. Thank you. Thank you for the help. Wow. Yes. That is looking great.
One hand.
Ooh. Wow.
Yeah.
That is crazy. Okay. This, yeah. Okay, let's try it out. It smells nice. Very sweet, and there's a lot of action going on in the background. A lot of drama. Very sweet.
So the girl is attracted by you. Yeah.
Too much action. Wow, very nice. Definitely gotta try this if you come here. Let's help her out. Here we have some more interesting ice cream that is looking tasty. Yeah, let's try this ice cream. I don't normally eat ice cream, but that is looking interesting. Let's give it a try. Okay, that is looking good. Let's try it. Nice. Gotta try this one. Okay, take a look at this nice ice cream here. Gotta try it out here. Let's give it a go. This is looking nice. Honey as well. Wow, this is good. Very sweet, looking great. Yeah, if you come here, definitely gotta try this local special. Highly recommend it. 10 RMB, that's a good value. Really tasty. Try it. So the sun is setting now, as you can see in the back, and we have pretty cool people are taking photos in the back. You can see with the lights here, a very popular spot. We have all these kind of alleys here with less people. Really nice when it's walking around. It's like people everywhere taking these photos here. Can explore a bit more, but I just wanted to show kind of these smaller alleys before we go out to the big ones again. It's actually really cool when you see the real old town, so to speak. It's like kids running around in the background here, not just all the tourist attractions. This is where people actually live. Very interesting and very different from just outside here. So now that the sun came down and the lights came up, things are definitely looking a lot prettier. As you can see here, I have all these buildings in the background. So we'll see if we can find some nice food here. Definitely a lot more interesting to check around here when it's dark than it's bright, that's for sure. So let's see what's around the corner. Okay, so after a lot of walking around and discovering, now the sun has set, as you saw earlier, and you can see all the city lights in the background. The bar street is just down here. But it felt a bit too crazy, so I found this kind of nice rooftop here. You can basically look over the city. Gonna get some nice skewers, some fish, and a lot of good stuff. So let's wait for that and then enjoy. And I might even have a beer. We'll see. Okay, so we actually got the beer here. I rarely drink beer, but I have to try this local one. Wushu. Apparently it's wheat beer from here. This is Xinjiang province. So let's open up and try it. Smells good. Nice. Cheers to my second beer of my 2 weeks of vacation. That is very refreshing. Hope it's gonna go great with the chicken. Okay, so now we have a lot of chicken. We've had a lot of chicken and lamb lately, but let's try this specialty apparently. Maybe I got the head. Let's see what this is. Good flavor. Not so much meat there. Here I think we have a bit more. Try this out here. It's a bit sweet. Let's try a bit of the skin part. Wow, it's a lot of stuff. Very tasty for sure. I'm gonna wait for the fish, so take a break and see you soon. Wow, now we're getting the fish here. We also have some amazing skewers here. Okay, so now as you can see, once again, we have a whole mountain of food. We have like a whole fish here. We got a big plate of skewers. That is pretty crazy. We had like some beef here, I think some lamb. We have some nice mushroom here, and I think we even got like a bonus sausage. I'm not sure what that is, and some other stuff. I think they basically double up our order. I guess they know we're hungry. Then we have some really nice eggplant here. It's looking pretty crazy here. We always like barbecue them almost here with a lot of garlic and all. It's super tasty. I think I'm gonna dig in the fish first here. Let's try. It's like boiling hot, as you can see. If we can dig out the piece here. Wow, that is looking crispy. Take a look at this. I think it's like with the Sichuan spices. Very, very nice. Let's have a bite. It looks hot. Very mild actually. We have oil everywhere. We have a bit of a nice piece of garlic here. And of course, a lot of good chili peppers and onions. Spicy but nice. Very, very nice actually. Let's move over to the skewers. So nothing new here, but lamb skewers. You can't even go wrong with this. Let's try it. That's crazy. All this like cumin and chili. Okay, finally let's try and get that black. This one, obviously my chopstick skills are not so perfect, so let's see if I can actually dig something out. Okay, that's a too big piece I think, but let's try it. Obviously it's a bit too rude actually to eat from the plate like that. I know you should put it down here. Sorry for that mistake on my side, but my skills are not so good. Let's try it. It's super tasty. Sorry for my bad table manners, but super tasty. So I think we're gonna enjoy this a bit slowly and gonna end the day here. So if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, if you enjoyed it, give me a like, subscribe, give me a comment if you have any questions. Otherwise, see you in the next video.